Honoring a soldier whose life was tragically cut short after a military accident. More than 1,000 mourners turned up at St. Anne's in Lenox, Massachusetts to pay tribute to Lance Cpl. Roger Muchnick Jr. He is the 23-year-old Marine who was one of 8 Marines killed during a training exercise in Nevada last week. Our videographer, Sean Kane, brings us to Lenox to find out more about Muchnick's life and legacy.
It's a very emotional day, very difficult day for the family.
Oh, he was a proud Marine, proud American. He was a wonderful kid.
Paying homage to a Marine hero.
To see this, the amount of people that were here and the outpouring of this community, people came from all over the place. I never met the family, never met, RJ, but what went on today, he deserved it.
He was a real hero, and he's buried in Lenox and buried next to his uncle.
I think seeing all those people really tells the story, and we say thank you for your sacrifice, in this case, the ultimate sacrifice.